Okay guys, welcome to Mueang International Airport. Yeah, we get to take the bus. I'm coming off of an AirAsia flight, a domestic flight, and the plane lands miles away from the airport, and we get to take a bus into the terminal. Very, very common. I've done this probably 100 plus times, both domestic and international flights. Doesn't add that much time to your day, but it is very inconvenient in my opinion. But it is a part of Mueang International Airport. All these airlines have their own, not just a bus, they have a fleet of buses, each airline. There's a pile of them now. And this airport is very, very busy. But it seems like more and more buses every time I go there, that's for sure. And the bus takes the milk run around the airport to get to the terminal. It seems to take forever on a crowded bus. Just a part of it, not much you can do, but just go along for the ride. You do end up at the same point eventually as if you normally got off the plane. It just takes quite a bit longer. I have to say, it looks a lot better now than it used to. They've renovated this part of the airport and it's looking pretty good now. Here's the maid hard at work. Gets the job done and don't complain. Alright guys, there it is, Mueang International Airport. Get ready to take the bus.